Install lightning surge protection devices and stay protected. Transient voltage fluctuations caused by power surges, load switching, and lightning strikes can cause severe damage to electrical and electronic equipment, unless appropriate surge protection devices are installed. These voltage spikes cause temporary voltage surges that exceed the nominal value of the distribution network by more than 10% for multiple cycles, leading to various system disruptions, such as equipment damage, fires, explosions, reduced equipment life, and power supply interruptions. How does a lightning surge protection device work? These devices are designed to divert potentially harmful voltage spikes to the ground safely. This mechanism is similar to that of pressure relief valves that protect water heaters from overpressure. For instance, if a surge passes through the conductor, the insulation of the arrestor is interrupted, allowing the surge to travel to the ground. Once the voltage level returns to normal, the insulation between the conductor and the ground is restored, and the current flow toward the ground stops. The surge protection device must have at least one nonlinear component that can transition between high and low impedance states under different conditions. Lightning surge protection devices can be installed on circuit breakers inside various establishments, such as hotels, restaurants, malls, and offices, as well as transformers, substations, poles, or control rooms. These devices can also be fitted along with CCTV devices, satellite TV/cable TV/antennas, LAN/Ethernet networks, solar modules/PV systems, and telecom lines or networks. Our company offers a range of highly demanded lightning surge protection devices, such as the FG300K series, FG225K series, TLX130K series, FGB220K series. These high-performance UL1449 listed Type 1 SPDs are designed for critical panels located in the harshest environments. The TLX50K is a nipple-mounted surge protector for light load service entrances and sub-panels. The LECTAPO-A is a surge protection device for data circuit protection that offers surge protection on Category 6 Power over Ethernet applications for loads up to 0.75 amps. Our data line protector is a state-of-the-art series/hybrid surge protection and suppression for low-voltage data lines, available in a range of configurations for telecom lines, control lines, and more to prevent lightning damage and provide surge protection. Installing a lightning surge protection device from our company ensures the safety and security of your company's data, employees, and facilities during unpredictable electrical surges, as well as the continued function of critical systems. Stay connected with us and stay protected. Contact information. Address: 6687 Arapahoe Road, Boulder, Colorado 80303, USA. Contact number 303-447-2828. Email info@lecglobal.com. Website https://www.lightningprotection.com/